When you get ready to overhaul or work on your engine, it's a good idea to have it clean so that you don't have the possibility or a potential for dirt to enter the engine. Dirt is one thing you want to keep out of the engine, along with other foreign materials such as coolant. You don't want coolant in your oil, you don't want oil in your coolant, and you don't want power steering oil in either of those areas either. So it's a good thing to have good practices and ethics to prevent any future failures or catastrophes. When you get ready to work on the engine, it's a good idea to steam it off. And when you put it in your pole building or garage or wherever you're going to work on it, you want to be able to have a clean area. The workbench that you're working with, that you set your components on, you want nice and clean. As you remove them, it's a good practice to put them in order so that when it comes time for reassembly, you can go and grab the part and put it back together. When it comes to the fuel systems on the engine, it's a good practice to even put those in plastic containers or plastic Ziploc bags. You can get these at your local dollar store. They're real inexpensive, and you can label on there the location where they come out from. The same thing is true of any fuel lines. You need a little larger bag to put that in. Take the fuel line off, put it in the bag, and say, okay, it's easy to identify as far as injector number 1, number 2, wherever it came from. It makes it real easy when it comes time for reassembly. You can use many types of cleaners. You can use brake clean, you can use contact cleaner. Some manufacturers recommend contact cleaner versus brake clean because brake clean is a petroleum distillate, and that petroleum can affect gaskets as far as their sealing abilities. So that's why they recommend or suggest contact cleaner. Contact cleaner does not leave a residue, thus you won't have a gasket or sealing failure because of a petroleum product contaminating the surface where you're trying to keep clean. Cleanliness is key especially when it comes to assembly. However, on disassembly, if there's dirt and debris when you're removing something, say a fuel line or a component off of your engine, the potential for that dirt to fall in there and you not see it is at a point where that dirt can get ingested into the engine and cause problems down the road, performance issues and so on. So this is why you want to be clean anytime that you're working on an engine.
For more information, contact one of our ASC certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to us on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.